Hi everyone. We continue with the hacking lessons at my streaming channel. I'm going to review if we are already connected. Yeah, perfect. So um, the new machine, it's called internal, is a Windows machine and belong to Proving Grounds practice of offensive security. So it's a window machine that contains let me check if it's alive. Yeah, contains no vulnerability about Samba. So we can start to perform recognition with Nmap and with fast TCP scan. We can check more quickly the open ports of these servers. There are open a DNS port at 43, but it's not required for us. So we can start to review the Nmap minus scripts, and the script could be smb bool asterisk. So to the common ports of Nmap and the target IP. So discover the open ports as usual, 100.3.9, 100.3.5, 445. So is performed recognition about the NSE. We can review, for example, NSE, pipe grep, Nmap. There are the common scripts. If we filter by, for example, bool, and we filter grep bool, grep bool, for example, smb, we found the common vulnerabilities that are reviewed at Samba using the common script smb bool, and so it reports you. Yeah, I want to put here. It report to you the bool CVE 20 and night and 3103. This is the vulnerable version to Samba. It's a array index error in SMB2 protocol implementing ESRB2 in Microsoft Windows Vista Gold SP1 and SP2 Windows Server 20 and 8 Gold and SP2 Windows 7 allows remote attackers execute arbitrary code, cause a denial of servers in crash via an ampersand character processing ID headers and negotiate protocol. So during the protocol negotiation, it's possible perform a privilege escalation for this GitHub, for this server. Let me check it. Bool CVE GitHub repository for Python. yeah. um, this is the exploit. um, Required nmap, required, this is the nmap uh, Python exploit. So it seems that could be nice. Or this one Python exploits is the same. So let me check it. Internal. So search exploit, uh, search exploit, we can check to we can try to review this SMB, but don't say the ms, don't say the ms. So maybe with serv2.sys, to sys, something like this. Microsoft Windows Remote Code Execution. This is ms09.02 function, and this is for Metasploit. This is dislike for us. So maybe this one could be search exploit minus m, this one, yeah, maybe Python, this is beam 40, this one. Yeah, in order to perform this exploit, you should create your own reverse shell, because this one, let me check it. This one is for another host, so I'm going to review the same exploit at this 09.0. So it's in the same window reverse shell. This allows you more options, so I prefer this one. Wget, yes. So beam ms09. So the first one, the first cell, is with Meterpreter, and the second one is with Windows Shell Reverse TCP. We don't want use Meterpreter because we need to use XDD, Metasploit, Framework Console. It's provided for me. So insert, yeah, this one. At this point, I'm going to cut the ms, this one at c value. So here we are going to create a new payload with MSF Venom my attacker IP for my local port address 4447 and execution at C, but I prefer any other open port, for example 43, 45, 44, the 43 port, why not? I prefer an open port because could be closed the output um, at 43. Yes, so we can copy this one and came to the exploit, inject the new payload append here. So perfect. X dd insert new one, and at the end we can include this one. So the payload that we are going to inject is the shell2, is the last one. So we are going to Python execute this one with the IP of the target machine, that is this one. So it seems that all is ready. Yeah, it seems that could be Python 3. Workgroup administrator password. So with Python Vim x Python 3 don't work for me. So we are going to use the other one, Vim Python. Yeah. So at this point we need to perform the same payload, but for output at Python. Yes. And here we can remove dd. So this is my new buffer. And this cell, it's going to be my new buff. So these string bytes should be removed. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one. This one. Yeah. Right now I'm fine. Yeah, it seems that all is right. Python 40 this one to this IP. It's perfect. Can connect. Errors log on failure. So it seems that there are an error during connection. The machine is alive. Ping minute C. Yeah. So yes, it's perfect. Log on failure. So why? Why it's log on failure? GitHub repository. Exploits. Open fuck. Version 2. Batchars, calc, fusser, PI. Public exploit modification. So at this point, I think that this is the moment of use Metasploit. We can use it at once. MSF console, because I think that it should be working fine. It's a no issue. Yes. This is use or search for this one. Negotiate function index is this one. Yeah. Negotiate bidding. Exploit auxiliary. So we need use the exploit. Use 0. So options. Yeah. Set remote host. Could be should be the this one. Yes. So options. Exit function. Local host. Yeah. Set local host is my attacker IP of the VPN. So it's this one. So options. Local port. Wait these seconds. Thread. Yeah. So targets. This is the only one. So maybe we can run and wait. For 100 and 8 80 seconds. uh, I shouldn't use it, but during the exam I have one attempt for one machine for use Metasploit, so I think that um, this report me enough time, because if I need to modify all the script that I found at internet for this buffer overflow, um, is a shit. Um but I don't know. Uh, this should be work, but I'm not sure. So I usually don't use Metasploit. I don't know how to use properly. I'm feel silly when I shoot this tool, because I don't use it fluent. Um, okay, sending a stage. Um, yeah. So if we obtain a cell, we can perform this one, and we say who am I, entity authority system. So cd users, um, dear cd public, and cd desktop, dear not found, because there are no user flag here. Dear cd administrator, um, and desktop, dear, this is the proof txt. Yeah, so perfect, easy. With Metasploit I dislike, but sometimes it's more easy. Once, for example. So this is all for this machine. Stop it and